Hello students, sorry for interruption. Okay, so we are on this topic, soil erosion. So cutting down of trees on a large scale is called afforestation, and planting trees on a more numbers is called afforestation. See, if you cut down the trees, then it leads to soil erosion. Okay, try to understand that. And overgrazing means, suppose this is the rice crops. Okay, these are rice crops, right? When farmers take out all the rice from the small plant, okay, then what happen after months, right? The color of the plant become yellow, right? And what they used to do, they used to cut everything. Okay, they used to cut everything. So because of that, soil erosion take place. Okay, because of that, soil erosion take place. And one more point, this is the field. Suppose this is the field, right? Now see, when they used to plant the rice crop, okay, if they repeatedly graze, okay, see, grazing is required, but if they do more number of times, okay, that is called overgrazing. Okay, and overgrazing leads to soil erosion. Means, suppose this is your land, okay, and the soil will come out, soil will come out from the land. Okay, suppose I want to tell you, this is one plant, okay, small plant, let's take a small plant, okay, and what you do, suppose you pull this plant and you take out from the land, right? What happened with that? You can see, you disturb the whole area of the land, right? Suppose it takes out from this hole, right? But it's supposed to come out from this only, this root, but no, you take out this whole soil, right? Sometimes the small grass also, if you take out, you see the hard and sticky one, okay, the hard and sticky one, if you pull it, then whole soil will come out, right? That leads to soil erosion. Okay, so how to stop that? Because of that point, this what comes, soil conservation. Okay, soil conservation means conservation, right? Soil conservation, it basically means protection of soil. So how to protect the soil? First of all, overgrazing should be avoided. This is the first point. Okay, we should plant more number of trees. Okay, this is all about the soil conservation. In this, we can achieve the protection of soil. With that, we can give the more number of fertile soil. Okay, fertile soil means what? Fertility. Okay, it means the good quality of soil where we can plant this plant vegetables, and this gardening. Okay, garden means flower, fruits, okay, all types of eatable things, all types of usable things. Okay, so that means this fertility. So how to stop that? Overgrazing should be avoided. See, look page number 47. You can read out those points. Overgrazing should be avoided as the damage vegetation, growing more vegetation to cover the soil and to reduce the velocity around the soil. Excessive use of chemical fertilizer should be stopped. But nowadays it's very common, okay, when farmers they used to plant the crop, okay, they used to use these pesticides for their plantations, okay. Otherwise you will not find the good shape of any vegetables, okay. Or else what happens normally, you try, I just want to tell you, like, if you get time, then you please visit some this farmers land, okay. You will see this insects, right. That insects, it kills their plantations, okay. If you hard work whole day and after that if you see this plantation get damaged, okay, at that time you'll feel very bad on. Then the last point, to safeguard the fertility of the land, different crops should be grown on farmland, okay. And see, if any particular soil, if you plant only same plant, right, that will not going to give you fertile of soil, okay, fertile soil. Otherwise we can do these things, okay. Suppose this is a summer season. So in summer season, what is the crop that you can grow on that particular soil, okay. And when in winter comes, it doesn't mean that whatever we grow in summer times that we will plant the same things. No, not like that. We can plant the different thing also. Suppose in the winter seasons, like, we can go for this flowering the plants, this flower plants, right, fruits and all, right. In summer also you can do that. But the things is that if you change the crops, vegetables, plants, okay, then the fertility of the soil, it remains unchanged, okay. It will give you the good quality of soil. Understood? So this is all about the today's lecture. So I hope this soil types of soil aeration, soil conservation, okay, at least some bit it is clear to you, okay. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone, okay. Have a nice day ahead.